Our kidneys are made up of lots of little filtering units called nephrons. Kidney is as big as our fist. It actually sits little below our ribs, and each kidney has 1 million filtering units. Let me draw one of the filtering units. That's the filtering unit, and these are the tubules that the filtrate travels along before it gets down to the bladder and then, of course, is urinated out.
Here are the insights shared by Barbara O'Neill, a renowned expert in natural health, especially in the field of nutrition and natural therapies. With decades of experience, she has taught and inspired thousands of people worldwide, sharing her extensive knowledge of healthcare rooted in natural principles. Barbara O'Neill is known for her holistic approach to health, emphasizing the importance of nutrition, a healthy lifestyle, and balance within the body. She frequently holds seminars, providing valuable information on preventing and treating illnesses through natural methods. She has also warned that people's kidney health is gradually declining without us even realizing it. From chronic fatigue to bad breath, even itchy skin, these subtle signs are signals from your kidneys calling for help. When they start to appear, it means your kidney health is in serious decline. But don't worry, in this video, I'll share with you a list of 8 drinks that can work wonders for your kidney health. And don't miss this, our top-ranked drink can bring almost instant benefits to your kidneys, with an incredibly simple ingredient that you can add to your daily routine right away. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, known for its detoxifying properties, contains acetic acid, a compound that helps dissolve kidney stones, making it easier for the body to eliminate them. Another benefit of apple cider vinegar is its ability to balance the body's pH levels, promoting an alkaline environment. Consuming a moderate amount by diluting 1 to 2 tablespoons in a glass of water is safe and can be beneficial. However, it's important to remember not to exceed this amount, especially on a daily basis, as excessive intake can lead to persistent heartburn, create the perfect environment for new kidney stones to form. Now, it's essential to be aware that too much apple cider vinegar can have negative consequences. High levels of apple cider vinegar can lead to metabolic acidosis, a condition where the body's acid levels rise to a dangerous degree. This is a serious risk that can especially affect older adults, whose kidney systems may already be compromised due to age or other health conditions. Although acetic acid can aid in dissolving stones, overuse may also increase the kidney's workload, potentially causing electrolyte imbalances and damaging kidney function. 2. Cranberry juice. Listen carefully, unsweetened cranberry juice is not just a refreshing drink, it is a fundamental ally for kidney health and urinary tract health. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, molecules capable of preventing harmful bacteria, especially Escherichia coli, from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract and kidneys. This is essential for preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. A Cochrane review in 2023, based on 50 studies with more than 8,800 participants, concluded that cranberry juice significantly reduces the incidence of UTIs in women prone to infections. However, you must be cautious. Commercial versions of cranberry juice often contain high amounts of added sugar, and excess sugar is an enemy of kidney health, can worsen issues like diabetes and hypertension conditions affecting over 40% of people over 50. So, my advice, and what I'd like you to remember, is to look for unsweetened cranberry juice or make juice at home from fresh cranberries. This way, you can enjoy the benefits without the added risks from sugar. Adding a cup of unsweetened cranberry juice to your routine, 2 to 3 times a week, can be an effective preventive measure. 3. Lemon water. Many people don't realize that lemon water, thanks to its high levels of citrus compounds, can help protect them and prevent serious issues. The citrus compound in lemons has an amazing effect. This compound increases citrate levels in urine, which is crucial because citrate binds with calcium and prevents it from forming crystals, those infamous stones. However, not everything is perfect, and this is where I feel it's important to warn you. Drinking large amounts of lemon water, especially on an empty stomach, can erode tooth enamel. This can lead to tooth sensitivity and a higher risk of cavities. Additionally, citrus can irritate the stomach if consumed in excess, causing acid-related issues. My personal recommendation is to dilute the juice of half a lemon in at least 250 milliliters of water and, if possible, drink it with a straw to avoid direct contact with your teeth. And here's an extra tip, the best time to drink lemon water is after meals, when the stomach's ability to manage acidity is already active. This simple change can protect your stomach while also helping your kidneys. 4. Green tea. One of the main reasons green tea is beneficial for the kidneys is its high antioxidant content, especially polyphenol. These compounds help reduce inflammation, a factor that can contribute to the progression of kidney disease. Researchers have found that people who drink green tea regularly have a 20% lower risk of developing this condition compared to those who do not drink it. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, green tea may also help regulate blood pressure, which can further protect the kidneys. However, there are some lesser-known facts about green tea that are important to consider. For example, green tea contains caffeine, and excessive amounts can have a diuretic effect, meaning it can increase urine production, potentially lead to dehydration if not compensated by adequate water intake. Therefore, if you consume green tea, make sure to stay well hydrated, especially if you have any kidney issues. 5. Cucumber juice. Although we often overlook it, cucumbers are a powerful ally for kidney health. This food contains about 95% water, which not only helps keep the body hydrated but also promotes kidney function by facilitating the removal of toxins from the body. One of the most notable properties of cucumbers is their richness in essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. These minerals are very important for proper kidney function. In particular, potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, which can lower blood pressure and reduce the burden on the kidneys. A healthy diet that includes adding cucumbers to your daily meals has been shown to help older adults maintain better kidney health. Additionally, cucumbers have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and water retention, a common issue among older adults. Therefore, it is best to consume organic cucumbers to avoid pesticides and chemicals that can negatively affect health. 6. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a highly valued beverage for many centuries due to its numerous health benefits, and notably, it has positive effects on kidney health that are often overlooked. One of the most remarkable properties of ginger is its anti-inflammatory ability. A 2019 study published in the journal Biology and Pharmacology revealed that ginger contains compounds that can reduce inflammation in the kidneys, which is crucial for maintaining your health. Furthermore, ginger promotes blood circulation and helps regulate blood pressure. According to the American Heart Association, approximately 103 million adults in the United States have high blood pressure, significantly increasing the risk of kidney disease. Simultaneously, ginger acts as a powerful antioxidant, meaning it can combat oxidative stress in the body. This type of stress can lead to kidney failure if not controlled. The combination of these properties makes ginger tea a beverage that may help maintain kidney function and prevent damage. Additionally, there is a lesser-known fact: ginger can also help lower blood sugar levels. This plays a vital role in preventing the pathway to kidney disease, which is diabetes. I recommend steeping a small amount of fresh ginger root in hot water for at least 10 minutes. This will allow the beneficial compounds to be properly released. You should also avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners, as these can diminish the effectiveness of ginger and negatively impact kidney health. 7. Hibiscus tea. This tea, made from the dried flowers of the Hibiscus sabdurifa plant, not only quenches thirst but can also play an important role in kidney function. One of the most notable effects of hibiscus tea is its ability to help lower blood pressure. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, individuals who consumed hibiscus tea experienced a reduction in systolic blood pressure by up to 7.2 millimeters of mercury compared to those who did not consume it. Additionally, hibiscus tea can aid the kidneys in eliminating toxins. Hibiscus flowers are rich in antioxidants, meaning the tea not only helps detoxify the body but also supports kidney function in filtering and removing waste. For those experiencing bloating due to water retention, hibiscus tea can be a helpful ally because of its diuretic properties, which may alleviate these symptoms. 8. Watermelon juice. This refreshing drink is made up of 92% water, making it an excellent choice for maintaining adequate hydration in the body. In addition to its high water content, watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. In fact, research data indicates that regularly consuming watermelon may reduce the need for dialysis in individuals with chronic kidney disease. A study from the Cleveland Clinic has shown that consuming watermelon juice is essential for the kidney health of older adults. However, it is important to note that watermelon also contains potassium, a mineral that, while beneficial for many, needs to be monitored by those with kidney issues. Excessive potassium intake can lead to hyperkalemia, which is a high potassium level in the blood and can cause serious health problems. Therefore, if you are managing your potassium intake, be sure to consult a healthcare professional before significantly increasing your watermelon consumption. There are some lesser-known facts about watermelon worth mentioning. For example, watermelon is not only delicious and refreshing but also contains lycopene, an antioxidant that can protect the kidneys from cellular damage. Additionally, its natural diuretic effect helps increase urine production, facilitating the removal of toxins from the body. One part that many people often discard is the white rind of the watermelon, which also provides many benefits. Leave a 1 if you are curious and want to learn more about how to prepare this part of the fruit. I hope the information we have shared will be useful and help you better protect your health and that of your loved ones. Before we conclude, I would like to ask you a question. Would you like to learn more about kidney-related issues? If so, please leave your comments below this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with those around you. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos so we can protect your health and that of your loved ones together. I would like to express my gratitude to Barbara O'Neill for her incredibly useful insights. She is one of the people who inspires me to share health knowledge with everyone. Let's work together to build a healthier and happier world. Wishing you abundant health and fulfillment. See you in the next video.